Hey Bruce, where would you rather be, brother? Where would you rather be? Alright. So, you guys can get comfy and enjoy the show. If you guys like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Apparently like 94% of the people that watch me are not subscribed. Which blows my mind. You guys wouldn't do that, would you? We're going to be using the 7/8 cable. We got the 3-inch cutter. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was like 60 feet or so where the block was cleared last time. But again, I could be mistaken. There goes. Alright, that's about 15 feet. Get another cable ready. Here we go. Hey Donald, if you're watching, we got a room full of poop. No, that's have you guys ever heard of New York drains? A guy named Donald, obviously from New York. If not, go check him out. He's got a good phrase. I'll tell you in a little. Do you guys know what kind of job this is? This is an tabernacle moment. You walk into a job like this, you're just like, tabernacle. Alright, so that's 3 cables, 45 feet. Hey Bruce, where would you rather be, brother? Where would you rather be? Seems like it's flowing like a river, eh, Donald? So I'm just doing a quick cleanup. The management's definitely going to have to get their cleaners in here. Because remember, I'm not a cleaner. Alright, let's pull this out, see what we got this time. Don't fall. A little bit of root, but we knew they were going to be there. Alright, so not a super amount of roots, but this is why we tell the management they got to do a video inspection. And I know he doesn't watch my channel, but hey Ollie, all good. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Trogna.